Hello guys, so I created a script, actually a program, so this library here. So I did an option for resetting all brushes, current brushes, that is here. So actually I can take out all elements I want to, and also I created a reset check was on send to Zbrush. But now it's like when we import a brush, we can see a preview, especially useful here. So if I send the brush and it's already in the palette, it will just switch to it and it will not reset the brushes. So for the time being, I'm gonna reset all brushes. So I have all the brushes. So I need to keep this palette on the screen that is out here. I could try doing a on top, but it's like that. So here I can just import a brush, for example this one. Now I have a brush here and it's in the palette here. So for example, if I go here and I'm not sure which brush I used, I can select this one and I will send it, and it will go back to the one that was already loaded. If you want to load a new brush, for example this one, send to Zbrush, it will be added and it's here. Same goes for example, take brushes here. I will switch reset to the top when switching between these guys here. So I'm gonna send this to Zbrush, and we've got some insert meshes. Let me check if there are any delete lower, so I can insert something, and that's stuff from Andra. But I can also now, like for example, if I want to go back to some brush, I can send and it will just switch. So we have all the settings and we have all the settings kept on our brushes. So we have also reset current brush. So if we have in brush standard, for example, here, and we have some alpha and we have some stuff here changed. Okay, here we can go here, but we can just go here and go and reset current brush, and then we have everything still here back. And we can go, for example, click reset all brushes, and then we will go to default that is within our stuff here. So adding brushes without the stuff here, like, will make it work fast. Also, if we work with some brushes and we want to keep them, it will work. I was thinking about changing the script later on to be able to add a custom path. What is in common is brush name. This one is a TIFF and it has the same name, and preview is a PNG and it has same name. So if the stuff is in the folder that it's connected here, it will appear in here. So here I have previews, and I like this, that if I have a multi-insert brushes, they will show up. Also I have filter that I think I didn't connect yet, but it's a small stuff here. So it works by Zscript, just like this here, just like this brush here. And I was thinking that I will try to add a while saving, it will do a print screen of the window where the ZBrush is, and it will do the preview, but it will not be visible like somewhere here. But if we hover on top of it, we will be able to see the preview. Okay, or I'm gonna maybe add a right click, but I think the hover one with small preview like this would be great. Yeah, so for now that's it. I will be adding option to do the path by default. So if you can add a path and add multiple paths, probably. I will try doing so, and we'll see how it works. And adding the brush filters, maybe switch to tabs and add custom ones, like I could give a all the stuff that I have here and remove it and switch it into the in here, yeah, in here. It will work by a floating window that we can have on a separate computer. Thank you, and that's it.